Hey everyone! Today let's dive into how artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the world of affiliate marketing. If you're looking to boost your profits and streamline your strategies, you're in the right place. First off, what exactly is AI? In a nutshell, AI involves machines and software that can perform tasks which typically require human intelligence. This includes things like learning, decision-making, and problem-solving. Now, how does this tie into affiliate marketing? Let's unpack that. AI can process massive amounts of data much faster than any human. For affiliate marketers, this means AI can analyze your traffic and identify which products your audience is most likely to buy, and at what times they are most likely to make a purchase. Imagine the power of knowing, not guessing, which ads to place and when. Here's where it gets really interesting. Personalization. AI can help you customize the user experience like never before. By analyzing past behavior, AI can predict what content will resonate most with each visitor. This means more effective targeted advertising, leading to higher conversion rates and, yes, more profits. But wait, there's more. AI doesn't just stop at data analytics and personalization. It can also automate routine tasks. Think about all the time you spend on campaign management, reporting, or even content creation. AI tools are there to streamline these processes, freeing up your time to focus on strategy and growth. Now, implementing AI might sound daunting, but it's more accessible than ever. Many platforms are now offering AI tools designed specifically for marketers. Tools like chatbots for customer service, predictive analytics for campaign optimization, and even AI-driven content generation tools. So, whether you're just starting out or you're looking to scale up, integrating AI into your affiliate marketing efforts could be a game changer. It's all about working smarter, not harder. And with AI, the possibilities are just beginning to unfold. Stay tuned, keep exploring, and let's harness the power of AI to not just meet, but exceed our marketing goals. Catch you in the next one.